Are your Adobe application failing because of the Layout Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. While we explore the technical guide for Layout Library, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the Layout Library, the Adobe Layout Engine module. It acts as the localized architectural backbone for coordinate-based object positioning and layer Z order management within Photoshop and InDesign. It facilitates the localized rendering of workspace boundaries and handles the unmanaged math required for complex canvas transformations. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This error commonly appears when Adobe files are missing or corrupted. Reinstall the official version of Adobe to repair the application and replace Layout Library DLL. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Layout Library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Layout Library DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to Layout Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Layout Library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.